Welcome to this Excel tutorial where we'll delve into the essential skill of converting scientific notation to regular numbers or text. Whether you're working with large datasets, engineering calculations, or simply improving your Excel proficiency, understanding these conversion techniques is a must. In this tutorial, we'll explore two effective methods to tackle this challenge. Assuming that you have a list of data in range B1, B4 that contain scientific notation numbers and you want to convert those scientific number to text or an integer number. Let's start with the first method, using the Format Cells feature. This approach is straightforward and ideal for occasional conversions. Begin by selecting the cells containing the scientific notation values that you want to convert. Next, right-click on the selected cells and choose Format Cells from the context menu. In the Format Cells dialog, navigate to the Number tab. Here, you can select the appropriate number format to display the scientific notation as a regular number. For example, you can click Custom under Category List box and type 0 in the Type text box. Then click OK button. Now, let's explore the second method, which involves using Excel formulas. This technique is more dynamic and useful for automated conversions. For each cell with scientific notation, enter a formula like equals trim A1 to convert the value in cell A1. Copy the formula and apply it to the entire range of cells that require conversion. With these methods at your disposal, you can seamlessly convert scientific notation to regular numbers or text in Excel. Whether you prefer a quick formatting approach or a more automated formula-based solution, these techniques will save you time and enhance your data handling capabilities. Thanks for watching.